guys. I've got two more pairs that I want to do analysis on for the following week. It's going to be the Canadian dollar, Swiss franc, and it's going to be the Aussie dollar, Canadian dollar. But first off, let's start off with the Canadian dollar, Swiss franc. Now on the monthly time frame, we can see that price just broke a nice area, or a nice key area of resistance, which now became a support area right over there. So basically you can see price rallied up, not down, arrow. Price rallied up nicely, and price is heading back down to make its retracement. So to measure that retracement, what we do is, or that pullback, we take the Fibonacci from the low to the high, right there, and we can see, sorry, my mouse is crazy tonight. So we can see in this area that we are actually expecting price to pull back all the way to this area here of a nice resistance area, and from here on we're going to be looking for a nice buy. But if we have to drill it down a little bit further to the daily, on the daily time frame, we know that this area is the key area that we're waiting price to come down to. We can see that price has been rallying down nicely, making lower lows, lower highs, lower lows, lower highs. So the next movement which we are expecting might be this lower low, but I'm just going to draw in this area right here. Okay, so if price has to come down and make another lower low, this will be the area that it comes down to, and then from here on it's going to shoot up. But there is also the possibility that price, take this down, the possibility that price is just going to touch this or retest this area here, the support, and then from here on make its move to the upside. So I would suggest when price comes down to this area over here, let's just make a nice little circle here, if my mouse will allow it. There we go. When price comes to this area, I would suggest moving down to the 4 hour, even the 1 hour, and then look for candle confirmations for that break to push price a little bit down more, or for it to turn into a bullish momentum and the price will shoot up. Okay, so let's move on to the Australian dollar, Canadian dollar. Let's just move to the monthly time frame. Okay, on the monthly time frame, let me just do this. I can move the chart a bit more. There we go. The monthly time frame, we can see here there is a there we go. Let me just draw this one a little bit bigger. You can see it stretches all the way to the top here, even further up. There we go. So we can see that this trend line has been hit a couple of times. There we go. Not that way, arrow. So yes, in any case, those areas, the area or the trend line has been hit multiple times, which makes it a very strong trend line. So the scenario here is that because it was hit this way, this time again, this is now the let's call it the third time, 3 times strong trend line. So what we're expecting is price to go down to the downside. So if I have to drill down to the daily time frame, Okay, on a daily time frame, because now we're expecting price, because it was bouncing off that trend line, and on a daily time frame we can just look at this area of support. Wait, this is the area here. This is the one I saw right there. Okay, there we go. So we're looking at this area there, and we're looking at this area over here. So price is, I wouldn't say in consolidation, but it's been bouncing up and down the support and resistance area, breaking through it, breaking back into it, coming back to retest it. So when market opens, I would look at what price is doing in this area over here, where it's currently at. So we might expect, if you drill down to a 4 hourly, even a 1 hourly, that price might just from here go down and go and test that that support area at the bottom. And even there's a possibility that price may break through to the downside, come back up to retest this area, and then price will start heading down. Because if we looked at the monthly time frame, price have been, retesting this trend line. So, and it's a strong trend line. So this is my analysis on the Australian Canadian dollar. So let's see how it plays out next week. Guys, I hope you enjoyed these videos. Like it, put your comments in the comment section, subscribe to the channel, and I hope you guys have a fabulous weekend ahead. And also, happy trading, guys.